Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, welcome. And I'm going to ask you to subscribe now and write in the comments below, I subscribe so I could personally thank you for joining my YouTube family. So today, look what's behind me. Ooh, it's the Grinch tree tutorial. Yay! And you're going to see step by step how I put this beautiful tree behind me together. A lot of people have been asking me, Gina, did you do a Grinch wreath? Gina, did you do a Grinch tree? Well, I didn't do a Grinch wreath, but I did do a Grinch Christmas tree. And that's today's video. So stay tuned and enjoy.
Okay, I think it's safe to say that this tree right now looks like a Charlie Brown Christmas tree. It's like a barely making it Christmas tree. Oh boy. Well, we got some work ahead of us now, don't we? Me and the little tree. So this year I am doing a glamorous Grinch Christmas tree because my 4-year-old son, Robbie, loves the Grinch. And I wanted to incorporate a little Grinch in everything I have this year in the house. So you'll see it in the staircase. You'll see it in the picture window. You'll see him in the kitchen. You'll see him on my big Christmas tree. The Grinch is everywhere. You'll see him out front with his dog Max on a blow up in front of the house. Right now I'm just kind of poofing the tree, little poof poof. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. So right now I'm just getting ready to put my ornaments on, and look, it's looking better already. Yay, liking that. Okay guys, so the first thing that I did right now is put the big Grinch hand in the tree. And what I did was I secured it with the wire that it came with, and I wrapped it around the actual base because I wanted to put the biggest object in the tree first, and then I could kind of work around it. So that's what I did, and I like how it looks so far.
Okay, everybody, stop what you're doing right now and hit that like button and help me get to at least 30 likes on this video. So go ahead and do it.
Okay, this is going to definitely take me a couple minutes to get used to. I'm not used to seeing my glamorous Christmas tree having any color except clear crystal white in it. It's so weird to me, but I'm doing this for Robbie, and I know he's going to love it. Okay, so what I did here was I did 3 types of ribbon, and I attached it in the Christmas tree, and I crisscrossed it to hold it in, and then I poof, and then I twist, and then I poofed, and then I twist, and then I poofed. So we're still doing the twist and poof now on the Christmas tree instead of the garland. So this is one type of ribbon I used, and then I used something totally different because the Grinch is, you know, Whoville is kind of whimsical and stuff, so I didn't want to do something so matchy. I like it how it's different, and look what I did over here. See how different it is? And I still did the twist and poof all the way down. And I kind of like the ends like this, guys. I think it looks pretty. So we left it. Okay, so I got the ribbon in. I got the arm in. And I think I'm going to put the sticks in next.
So as you're going to see as the videos go on, that I did a lot of Grinch in my holiday decorations this year. My 4-year-old Robbie, he loves the Grinch, and I wanted to make this Christmas as Grinchy as possible. So my question to you is this: do you guys have a theme this Christmas? Do you do a character like I do? Write in the comments below.
So here are some of the sticks that I have to put in the tree. I actually have a couple of more. But this is so cool. So these are finger puppets, and I actually got these on Amazon, and I'm going to use them as ornaments and just put the tree in there, and it'll stick up. I got Grinch, Max, and Cindy Lou. Very excited to use these. And then I got these on Amazon too. They're just like Grinch stuffed animals that I'm going to stick in the tree. This I actually got at the craft fair. I liked it. It's plastic. It's a cute little Grinch ornament. So these are all going in the tree. So I just put one of the Grinch finger puppets in, and it's really cute. So I put the tree in the puppet and just placed him, and it stays so nicely. So I know Grinch ornaments are really hard to find, so these little finger puppets are kind of like a nice little finds because they do work like ornaments. So cute. Okay, so I'm continuing to put my sticks in the Christmas tree. I like the glamorous Grinch Christmas tree. I think it's coming out really cute, so I'm just sticking in some crystals to the Grinch tree. Okay, everyone, I had a hard time finding Grinch sticks for the Christmas tree. So I picked up these photo props, and they were like pictures of the Grinch on a stick, and look how it transforms the Christmas tree. Look how absolutely amazing this was. I'm so glad I had this idea. So I actually picked up some more sticks from Hobby Lobby, and I got this pack from Hobby Lobby. And look, so I just kind of filled in the holes with these sticks, and it really is coming out so adorable. I'm really excited about this tree because it's so hard to find Grinch sticks in the store. They just don't have them. So I picked this up, and look how beautiful. And let me show you. So basically, see, it comes on a stick. So it's basically, you could use them as photo props, or you could use them as tree sticks like I just did. I'm so excited that I thought of this idea because my tree looks fabulous. Ta-da-da-da! Next, I bought these Shatter-Proof Peppermint ornament balls. And now I am putting them all throughout the Christmas tree. I feel like it just adds a little touch, and it just reminds me of Whoville. I love these. And what I really like about them is that they're shatterproof, so they will stay. I also got that at Hobby Lobby, and I also got this Grinch ornament in Hobby Lobby. I went there today because everything was 50% off, and I'm so glad I did because I just love how these sticks, these photo sticks, look in my Christmas tree. I'm obsessed with it, guys. I just love it. I really do. I think they look beautiful. So everyone, sometimes when you put a lot of ornaments on the tree, and most of the ornaments are in the front like this tree, sometimes it could tilt forward. So here is an OMG Christmas tree tip. Let me show you. You go underneath the skirt and you see the Christmas tree leg. What I did was I put a couple of magazines on top to push the tree back. And now the tree isn't tipping anymore. So there is a little OMG Christmas tip. I put Mr. Grinch and a sign that says Grinch Street under the tree. And I think now my tree is complete.
Okay, everyone, who liked my Grinch Christmas tree in my bedroom this year? Me! Robbie, my 4-year-old son, really just loves this Christmas tree. He comes in all the time. He's like, thank you so much, Mommy, for making me my Grinch tree. He loves it. And I'm so excited that I was able to do that for him. And it came out pretty good, right, guys? Like, I'm pretty proud of this tree. I love the arm. And I love those sticks. Go get those sticks. They're fabulous if you're doing a Grinch tree. Those prop photo sticks, game changer as far as I was concerned. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video, everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video and help me get to 1,000 subscribers. Next week, all new holiday video. I hope everyone is enjoying the holiday season with their families. Thank you so much for tuning in. See you next week. Bye-bye.